Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm at Five Below. I'm going to show you the makeup they have. I noticed around the holidays they get more makeup in, so thought this was a perfect time to share. So they have this super cute palette. I mean, it's even cuter than like the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Collection palette, but it's only $5. So then you have these like sets of lip glosses for $5. These would make good gifts, or you could just use it for yourself. Here's a sunset palette, and inside the colors are really pretty. It's like a sunset, and it has a little inspirational quote. This one is called Unearthly Beauty. It's like a marble, and it has natural shades inside, which I think most people use, like the natural shades. And here's some more lip glosses. That blue, hopefully it's just a clear, because can you imagine having blue lips? So here's the Enlightened palette. It's kind of earth tones. And then this is the ultraviolet palette that's like purple and blue. This is Hollow Glam. It's like a highlighter. Or actually, it looks kind of like a blush. And then here's another palette. It has like that lime green color. So that's a little different. And then I saw this last year at Christmas. It's all different mascaras. And then the eyelash set I'm going to show you I saw last year too. Here's another sunset palette. I couldn't remember if I showed you, but I did. And they have one called Gorgeous. And then over here, they have this, which is super cute. They have this highlighter. This brush is really good for putting on your foundation. And then there's all of these mascaras. And then here is Smoke and Mirrors palette. Faux Glow. And that looks like bronzer and blush. And this one's cool. It comes with lipstick and a beauty blender. So there's some highlights. Here's some eyeshadow that's super bold colors, and this is a more neutral. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, that looks like a highlighter too. They have a lot of super cute makeup. And you know, if you're wanting to try something new with your makeup but you don't want to spend a lot of money, everything's just $1 to $5. My Five Below has not went to $10 yet, like some other people's has, so I'm excited about that. All these nail polishes are pretty. They have nail polish gift sets too. And then they have these beauty like gifts. So they have like bath salt. Down here they have face masks. And you could just buy it for $5 and then split them all up to different people. And then they have this. All these little gift sets would be perfect for your mom, your sister, your daughter. Then they have these bath bombs that are like honey and almond with vitamin E, so they're nourishing to your skin. And then they have these for fun and these rose petals to put in your bath. So I hope you liked shopping for makeup at Five Below with me. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.